Sorry the quality, but I'm filming on my phone, which I'm always saying. So yeah, but I'm filming on the face camera and it's a little bad. Sorry. And I'm sorry I haven't got time to make any videos, but I just got home from Bulgaria yesterday, so yeah. And then I moved up on my room on a school home, or what you're calling it. It's a home for children who lives far away from their school, so I'm gonna live here. Yeah, this is just gonna be a random bloggy kind of thing. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah. If there's some specific videos you want me to film, then please write it in the comments below. And I'm going to do some hair tutorials and makeup tutorials soon, so if you want to see them, then subscribe up in the yellow button thing over here, I think. And check my channel out. It's a little small right now, but it's coming. And I'm sorry I'm so bad at English, and yeah, I hope you don't judge me. Some of you are maybe wondering why I've made this channel, because it's some pretty lame or boring videos I've made until now, but I've made it because I'm so insecure about myself and I'm really bad at English and I want to learn it, and I'm so bad to talk to people, so I thought, yeah, I want to talk to a camera and hope someone would like it. So I hope you are going to support me and not be a hater. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Facebook message. Yeah. So I started at school today, and yeah, it's a bit boring because it's not what I want. I am about to be working in a kindergarten, but I don't know if that's what I want. I want to be a makeup artist or a, what's it called? Yeah, I want to be a hairdresser, so it's not the right thing I'm going to, but it's so hard to be a hairdresser in Denmark because there's no place for being it, and I don't know if it's like that everywhere, but it is in Denmark. So yeah, I'm going to do what I can to be a hairdresser. Sorry for the random video, but it's a video, and I hope you keep on watching my channel, and I hope you subscribe on the yellow box and comment in the comment bar below. And yeah, I think that was all, maybe.